Lindsay trying to beat Cowbomb. Not gonna happen. Just wait for it. Wait for it. He's gonna fuck up. And then he's gonna get angry. His movie's coming up, so time on PlayStation is running out. Wait, here comes the sharp corner. Here it is. Judgment Day. 5, 4, 3, 2, here it is, here it is! Oh! Will he get the time? Will he get it? It's looking wobbly, looking wobbly!
No! Fuck!
Still not good enough. What's going on, man? Tell me how you feel. Seriously, come on.
I'm not happy. There's a couple of things going through my head right now.
Can you ever see yourself racing F1 cars?
Not really.
Not really.
I see myself beating you there.
Okay, so we do back away.